Okay guys, I've just received my Rain 5G and these are the SIM cards, and this one is the skin. This is the smart router. Let me open it up. As you can see, right, we are unboxing it. It's still new. Well, I don't know what is inside here. Maybe the cables. The cables which are sitting here. Open like this. And the charger is also here. Okay, as you can see, right. And this is the charger. I'm going to connect it. Connect it somewhere here. So, as you can see. Let me untie this charger. Yes, I'm done. Right. I connect it. Right, I've connected it. Just want to put it on the electricity. This is my first time to use it. As you can see, it's coming from the box. Right. I'm going to connect it to the electricity. Connect it on. Right. Right. I'm waiting for it to be on and turning blue. Where is the switch? The switch is somewhere there. Let's see. Off, on, yeah. It's the switch. See, it's saying hello. See now? It said hello. See? Yeah. Say peel off before use. Right. Peel it off. Right. As you can see now. Right. Okay, you have to put it on now. Right. It's turning blue now. Right. Saying scan. Saying Rain 5G. think now I'm now connected to my Wi-Fi. I can do whatever I'll be wanting to do. So guys, let's just wait for it to turn blue. Right. I just don't want to waste much of your time, guys. That's it on unboxing the Rain Wi-Fi 5G. Thank you.